So let's start with the bolster on the ground. You want to sit the sitting bones onto the bolster, maybe just a light comfortable seat here. So that way the pelvis gets to come up and then it shifts into an anterior tilt, so it moves the pelvis up and forward, allowing you to work into the hip joints and just give yourself some space to rock forward and backward. So let's just start with the breath. We really want to breathe way down deep so that breath drops, it sits into the hips and then it widens outward. So you want to take a nice big giant breath in, relax your belly, let it hang loose, Buddha belly. Inhale, let it go, exhale, feel the hips rolling outward and relaxing. Good, take another deep breath in and deep breath out. Let that breath drop and widen in, all the way into the low back, and then exhale, let the breath sink out. Another deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Bringing the hands to heart center, breathing in. Feeling free now to set an intention or a dedication for your practice. Maybe it's towards something you're trying to achieve or cultivate into your life, or maybe it's towards something you need to adjust or change, something you need to get rid of that's no longer serving you. So sending that out in a way and allowing greater things to come in. Either way, seal this in your mind's eye, let it vibrate throughout your body during this practice today. And just begin to take the hands onto the knees, diving forward, inhale. Exhale, roll the body backwards. So we're going to do spinal waves, body rolls, whatever works for you. Inhale forward, exhale back. So we want to float over those hips, moving them forward, rocking them back. So that pelvis wants to roll forward, bring the chest up, and then exhale, rock it and tuck it under. So we're doing nice rolls of circles here. Inhale. Exhale. We're just going to take this slow today because I want you to move gently through the hips. Even if you just rock back and forth, if you don't quite get that spinal wave motion, no worries, no judgments. It's all good. Everything is gravy. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Take the arms up now. Deep breath in. Exhale. Twist over to your right. Left hand coming onto the top of the knee. Right hand behind the back. Sit up tall, exhale, deep breath upward, exhale, good, deep breath in, and exhale. Dive forward, bring the arms forward, inhale up, and take it over to the opposite side, relaxing the arms, right hand on top of the knee, left fingertips behind the back, sit up tall, deep breath in, exhale out. Good, deep breath in. Exhale it out. Last one, nice full breath in. And full breath out. Good. Come forward, inhale the arms. Exhale, hands to heart center. So again, if you have a towel roll or a bolster underneath you, we're going to take the legs wide. I put tight shorts on for you today so you can see what's happening in the hips. So we're going to do a few spinal waves, little cat and cow in seated, wide angle legs, relax in the hips. You can hang onto the knees, dive forward, inhale, exhale, dive back under. So inhale forward, chest lifting up, exhale, sweep it down and back. Again, hands can stay on the knees, press downward, inhale forward, exhale, round it back. So swooping in, swooping out, inhale, exhale, warming up those hips, inhale, exhale, good, deep breath, exhale, one more, inhale, exhale it out. So from here, grab onto the sides of the floor or your pillow, bolster, whatever you need. We're going to cross the knees over. So one long, one crossed over. So you're still lifted up and high. From here, we want to take a deep, giant breath in, right hand going high, and let's twist it over to the left. So elevation helps you to keep space in the back and give you a little more space in the hamstrings. What I like to do is hook your hand underneath your arch of your feet, or foot, feet, foot, whatever. Push the hand down, sit up tall, and then just relax into it. You're gonna get a nice little stretch to the IT band and working into this hip. Try to keep this hip down if you can. Stay here and breathe for a moment. Exhale out. Deep breath in. Slowly release the breath out. Last one, deep breath in. And deep breath out. Unravel, take the legs wide. So some cat and cows, inhale. Exhale back. Maybe you feel a little difference in the hips now. We're working deeply into the hips without overstraining the body. Loosening up the low back, diving forward. Maybe it's just a small movement, depends on your hip flexibility. No worries, no judgments ever. And exhale back. All right, let's cross. Right leg extends, left knee comes across, all good. Again, reach over, hook the left hand underneath the foot. Right hand comes behind the back. Sit up nice and tall, deep breath in. And exhale into the twist. Think of upward as you breathe in, length, lifting each length of the spine upward towards the sky. As you exhale, you're just relaxing into your rib cage. So not twisting or cranking. Inhale and exhale out. Good. Unravel now. Take the body back forward, widen the feet out. Deep breath in, diving forward. Exhale, diving back. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Deep breath in. And exhale out. This time now, left leg will stay up, right leg will stay long. So we're opening up the inner hips here. Reach and just glide yourself forward till you feel stretch in the back, into the side of the hip. Really press down. Try not to let that leg go outward. So sitting up nice and big, inhale. Maybe you're good right here and you're just feeling a nice stretch here and underneath the thigh into that hamstring. Or maybe you just begin to extend. But think of when you extend forward, bringing the chest forward. Hand can slide down for support. Fingertips can come down. You're going to feel that nice opening into that left hip. Take a deep breath in. If you don't have this, slide that foot out a little bit more. And that'll give you a little more space because you're lifted and elevated. All good, no judgment, stay here. Maybe you snake the body around. Breath is really important here, so just let that breath move in and through you and then send it back out. Beautiful. Switch out the posture, right leg coming in, left leg extending. All good, no worries, no judgments. Reset, so we don't want to hunch over. Think of up, pelvis and body coming forward. Nice. And just breathe in here. It doesn't have to be a super painful, tense, like stretch. Just light. Press into it. Find where that bit of tension is. Sit in it for a second. Breathe. Ask it to relax. And then slowly back off of it. Maybe you begin to wipe the slate clean with a little side-to-side movement. I call it Butterasana, little Sadie Nardini special. Melting like a stick of butter from the outside to the inside. Beautiful. So let's piece this all together. This is an easy seating hip flow. Nothing crazy here. Nothing crazy. So take the feet wide. Cat and cow. Dive forward. Inhale. Exhale back. Inhale. We've got this 2 more times. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale back. Right leg extends, left leg comes across. Take a deep breath in, reaching up. We're going to twist over to the right. Exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale it out. Deep breath in. Exhale it out. Good. Come back to center. Unravel. Leg out, left leg out. Deep breath in. Exhale forward. Got that. Deep breath in and fall forward. Exhale. Nice. We got 1 more round. Deep breath in and exhale out. Setting up for cat and cow. Widen the legs. Hands on the knees or the thighs. Inhale. Exhale back. Good. Inhale. Exhale back. One more. Deep breath in. And exhale out. Left leg will extend now. Right leg creeps across. Hanging onto that foot. Left hand behind the back. Sit tall. Deep breath in. Exhale. Sit tall. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Deep breath in. Exhale it out. Unravel now. Right knee stays bent. Left leg comes out. Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale, fall forward. Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale it forward. Last one, deep breath. And exhale it out. Good. Come back to center. Set up for cat and cow. Hands on the knees. Inhale forward. Slide it back and around, arching the body. Inhale. Exhale it out. Deep breath in. Exhale it out. Beautiful. Okay, here's the clincher. I want you just to fold the knees out. Take a deep breath in. Remove the pillow out from underneath you and just sit. Do you feel more space in your hips? Do you feel more grounded and that the hip space is open? If you do, awesome. So we were able to loosen up the hips a little bit more. You should have some mobility in that pelvis forward and backward. If not, maybe it's just something that you need to keep working on, and you've got this video right here to do over and over and over again until you feel like you've got it. Remember, you can vary your levels of lift or elevation, or you can start to decrease it as you build more mobility. So from here, let's just begin to dive the body forward. Inhale, sit it back, exhale. Fingertips, inhale, dive forward. Exhale it back, beautiful. Inhale, exhale. Deep breath in. And exhale it out, good. So just spin yourself around. Hands underneath the thighs, sitting up nice and tall. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, using your core control, come all the way down to your back. Make any readjustments you need here. So we want to work on that front hip flexor. Take your right leg and extend it up towards the ceiling. As you exhale, cross it over your left knee, so ankle to knee. So what's important here is to take your left foot and step to the outside of your mat. Now we're going to take the knees over to the right. Beautiful. You'll feel a nice stretch to the front corner of the hip. Take your arms up like you're doing a push-up. Inhale, and as you exhale, widen, open the arms out, keeping the elbows bent, just relaxing here. Let the knee fall down. No worries, no judgments. Just breathe here for a moment. Let's take 3 breaths. Way down into your hip. Let's take a deep breath in. Exhale it out. Another deep breath in. Exhale it out. Last one, deep breath in. Exhale it out. Slowly come back to center. Inhale, left foot stepping back, the ankle is still crossed. Now we're going to exhale, bring the knees into the chest, reaching through the thigh, right hand through, left hand to the outside, gripping underneath the thigh. From here, maybe you just do little mini circles to work into that hip. No worries, no judgments. If that doesn't feel great, no worries. You can grab behind the thighs and support here. Maybe you take it up a little lower if that hip is really tight. It's all good. Don't worry about it if you don't have it perfectly. Yoga isn't about perfection. It's about getting on the mat and getting moving and feeling good. Good. Reverse those circles, working into that hip, feeling yummy, yummy from head to toe. Good. Unravel now. Bring that right knee into your chest. Give it a little swirl. Loosen it up. Motion is lotion. Some hydration here. All good. Perfect. Place that right foot down into the mat and just notice how that hip feels. Maybe take a little rock side to side. You might feel that hip is a little bit looser, feels a little more fluid. Take the left leg high now. Breathe in. We're going to bring the ankle across the knee. Beautiful. From here, step the right foot to the outside of the mat. Inhale. As you exhale, those knees drop over. Again, push up towards the sky, inhale. You can take the hands overhead if you like. That's a good one for me. I like that one. It opens up my shoulders and my pectorals. Or you can take it out to the side if you want a broadening to the chest. Breathe in. Exhale out. Breathe in. Exhale it out. One more round. Breathe in. And out. Step that right foot back in. Ankle is still crossed. Inhale. And then reaching through, exhale. Bring that knee into the chest. All good. Just let it sit for a moment. Slowly swirl the hip around in a circle. No worries, no judgments. Take your time. Loosen up that hip. However much you want to move this hip is up to you. Just make sure it's not yanking on your knee. You're feeling good and gravy. Reverse the circles. Keep your breath circling in and out. So breathing in and exhaling out. You got this. Breathing in and out. Awesome. So let's place that right foot down. Left knee is going to come into the chest. Breathe in. And then swirl that knee around as you exhale. Lubricate, hydrate. Yum, yum. Switch it around, opposite direction. You got this. Give the knee a little hug in the chest. Inhale. Exhale, slide both feet down, pointing your toes, reaching through your fingers. Nice long bodied stretch. Point your toes, reach, reach, reach. Exhale out through your mouth. Settle your feet wide. Shake out your feet. Shake out your hips. Shake out your shoulders. Maybe take your neck side to side. And from here, just let your legs relax and drop down towards the floor. Breathe down deep into your belly, into your hips. Just take a few moments here now to relax. Let the hips open. Letting your legs melt down into the ground. Letting the hip space feel open. Letting the chest feel bright and spacious. And maybe you stay here for a little mini shavasana for a few moments with gratitude. Or if you're ready to come up, no worries, no judgments. Take it to your side, rolling towards your screen, pressing up with your free hand. Coming back to a comfortable seat. Grounding down in the sitting bones, bringing the hands to heart center, knowing that you are authentic, you are awesome. I see you as you see me. Knowing that the badass in me honors and recognizes the badass in you. Thank you for joining me once again. If you'd like the HD version of this, subscribe to me on YouTube and check out my courses on Daily Om, and I will see you on Thursday. Many namastes. Thank you so much.